One-day cross-border medical camp for Meghalaya organized at Lamarang village, Jirikindeng, with no valid permit on 19 November. Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong called for a press conference to brief over the celebration of 400th birth anniversary of Lachit Borphukan. As neighbors, whether we like it or not, we have to live together, says Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio during his August visit at Karbi Anglong. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. On 19th of November, a group of people from Meghalaya entered Assam and intended to organize one-day medical camp at Lamarang village, Jirikindeng, falling under the jurisdiction of Jirikindeng Police Station, West Karbi Anglong District, without any proper and valid permits taken from the district administration and law and order of the district. Acting upon the information, Karbi Students Association, Jenka Head Branch, Borsing Ingti, 7 Ingti, President of Thana, with his colleagues along with the Law and Order Department, rushed to the spot to review the scene. Amir Khasru Chaudhary, UBC of Jirikindeng Police Station, put a stop to the Meghalaya's medical camp set up at Lamarang village, Jirikindeng, after they failed to produce legal permits in front of the Law and Order Department. He ordered them not to ever attempt such type of cross-border illegal activities in the days to come. He further informed that if they wanted to organize such type of cross-border events, they would have to bring permits from the Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong. Something in this report from Jirikindeng for Karbi Anglong Live. As the entire state of Assam is gearing up for the joyous 400th birth anniversary celebration of Bir Lachit Borphukan on 22nd of November, likewise, Krishna Barua, ACS Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, called for a press conference at Deputy Commissioner Conference Hall, Hamren, on 19th of November to brief about the event schedule and preparedness for the event at West Karbi Anglong District. Krishna Barua, ACS Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, while briefing the media, informed that on 19th of November, essay competition was organized in every schools, and on 20th of November, cleanliness drive would be carried out at Hamren and Donka town areas. Also, a blood donation camp would be set up on 24th of November. Various literary events like recitation, quiz, painting, extempore speech competition and photo exhibition on the life of Lachit Borphukan would be organized on 21st November.
It's already done. Then today on 19th, in all schools, essay competition is going on. Then on 20th, tomorrow, we'll be having social work day. For this, there will be a cleanliness drive in Hamren town and also in Donka areas. Then there will be a blood donation camp. So we have deferred the blood donation camp to 24th as the medical team can, as in Karbi Anglong, they have two donation team out there. So it is not possible for them to come over on 20th. So for us, the blood donation camp will be on 24th. Then there are other programs that we have chalked out in different areas. The first one will be on 21st. There we will have three programs, one at Dalimbari, one at Bethalangsu and one at Umla Fair.
On the occasion of Bir Lachit Borphukan Divas, a garlanding ceremony would take place and it would be followed by deliberation on the life of Bir Lachit Borphukan by the speakers. A live webcasting from Delhi would also be displayed, followed by prize distribution to the winners of essay competition to their children, and a small cultural program would be organized at Tumpreng on 24th November. Also, requested the citizens of West Karbi Anglong to write a short paragraph or essay on Lachit Borphukan life and upload it to the Assam government's portal.
Bir Lachit Borphukan. Then it will be followed by a deliberation on his life by a speaker. Then we'll be webcasting the program that will be held at New Delhi. After that, prize distribution among all the students will be held there, and a small cultural fest will be there, and also on 24th there will be a cultural program at Tumprang Bazaar area. So there will be a drama on Lasit Borphukan, and also other traditional dance and also traditional songs will be performed there. So everyone is invited, and I will request everyone to write a few paragraphs on Lasit Borphukan's life and upload it in the Assam government's portal.
Daniel in his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. On 17th of November, during the 71st Karbi Anglong Day celebration at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso, Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nephew Rio, attended as the chief guest of the celebration and spoke about the coexistence and the feeling of oneness in growing together. 71 years ago, on 17th of November, Karbi Anglong Autonomous District was created to recognize the identity of the Karbi tribe living in Assam. The journey towards the creation of Karbi Anglong Autonomous District was not easy. Many lost their lives fighting for the rights, while several sustained lifetime injuries. Hence, to remember and pay our respect to those torch bearers, we commemorate this historic day as Karbi Anglong Day. And during the 71 glorious years of celebration, Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nephew Rio, attended as the chief guest of the celebration. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Jogin Mohan, HOD Minister, Government of Assam, Ritis Inghi, EM, Richard Togbi, EM, Lunsing Teron, EM, Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, MSCs, and several notable dignitaries of Karbi Anglong attended the event. Nephew Rio, Chief Minister of Nagaland, while addressing his speech, said, "We can change our friends, we depart ways as friends, but as neighbors, whether we like it or not, we have to live together. It is not by choice, but it is a God-given privilege, and therefore you cannot change your neighbors, and thus we have to learn to coexist and grow together." He also stated a quote during the occasion, "When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But when our character, our identity is lost, then everything is lost."
When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But when our character, our identity is lost, then everything is lost.
Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of KAC, while addressing his speech, informed that not even a single border issue was erupted along interstate boundary during the tenure of Nephew Rio as Chief Minister of Nagaland, and is expected to be resolved in the following days and have a goodwill and peaceful coexistence across the borders. He spoke about the development in every aspect for their people and kept the flame of brotherhood alive.
I particularly happy that during his term as Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, we have not seen any border issues. It is my trust that it will remain so, and that we will have goodwill and peaceful coexistence across the borders. We have no history of enmity. We have always lived alongside as brothers. Let us keep the flame of brotherhood alive.
Later, Bollywood renowned playback singer Sunidhi Chauhan, while giving her performance, paid a tribute to Krishna Kumar Gunnat, popularly known as KK, by singing his originals amidst the show. Longsodaring this report from Dipu for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.